Now we are having a question and a determinant is given, and using properties we have to find f function 2x minus f of x. Okay, so let's start it. Now we are having fx is equal to, now solution part is, now fx is equal to a minus 1 0, ax a minus 1, ax square ax and a. Now taking a common from C1. Okay, we are taking a common from C1. We are having fx is equal to a 1 x x square minus 1 a ax 0 minus 1 a. Then we are having fx is equal to a. Now here I am just operating it with C2 approaches to C2 plus C1. Now what the reason is, because minus 1 and plus 1 will become 0. Okay, so C2 we are changing C2 1 x x square as it is. Now minus 1 plus 1 0, a plus x, that right, x plus a, and ax plus x square plus ax, and here 0 minus 1 a. Okay, now let's expand it. Now fx is equal to a with 1, now x plus a with a plus, because here it is minus 1, plus x square plus ax. We are having fx is equal to a. Now this becomes ax plus a square plus x square plus ax. Okay, now this further can be written as fx is equal to, now we are having ax plus a square plus x square plus ax. So this becomes a with x square plus 2ax plus a square. Okay, and this becomes what? A with x plus a whole square. So fx is, now we are having fx is equal to a with x plus a whole square. Now what f2x will be? f2x will be a 2x plus a whole square. Okay, so we are having f2x also and fx also. Now what we have to find? We have to find f2x minus fx. Now what this is? Now this is a 2x plus a whole square minus a and x plus a whole square. Now just solve it, we will be getting the answer. Now it is, let a be common. Now we are having 4x square plus 4xa plus a square, expanding 2x plus a whole square minus, now x square plus 2ax plus a square. Okay, so we are having now a, now 4x square plus 4xa plus a square minus x square minus 2ax minus a square, and we are left with now a, now 4x square and x square, 3x square, 4xa and plus 2xa and a square cancels. So we are having ax with 3x square plus 2a, and this is the answer. Okay, so now this is one of the method and easy method, okay, and time saving method. You can do one thing. What you can do, if you wish, looking towards the question, sometimes many students what they can do, Now when they can write here fx is okay, it is given in the question. For f2x, what they are going to write? They will be writing a 2ax. In place of x we have to write 2x. Then in place of x we have to write 2x. Here a 2x whole square. Okay, so here there can be some mistake, but if you are converting 2x also in the determinant, x is already in the determinant, then you are going with the properties, no matter, but your answer should be this one. Okay.